Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp. We're doing the Introduction to HTML course. This is the section on tables. And I just want to make a link to the documentation, the best documentation on tables while we're at it. So here we have it, the Mozilla Developer Network. Mozilla is the maker of the Firefox browser, and they have great documentation on all parts of HTML, and this is the section on table content, and you can see that they have the table element and TD and TH, some things we've already talked about. So I'm going to copy that. There's some things we haven't talked about yet too, and each one of these things is clickable, and it has a bunch of information. So it's great documentation. We need to add it to our list of links, and we'll say Mozilla Developer Network table element. Well, we don't want the table element one though. We want the table content section. Okay. And I copied that link a minute ago, so we can do href equals paste, and then close A. Okay, so now we have a link to the documentation. Go there. Read all about it. I don't know what my kids are doing upstairs. It's crazy. All right, thank you.